Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Husqvarna Z254 zero-turn mower. This mower does come with front lights, as well as a 54-inch clear-cut fabricated deck. The deck is made out of 10-gauge steel. There is a spout for easy cleaning of your cutting deck. This mower does have a removable floor panel for access to your spindles. There is a standard seat. This 254F does have a 6-position cutting system. There's a cup holder and storage space. The back tires. This mower does come with a Kawasaki FR730V 24 horsepower engine. There is a hydrostatic transmission as well as Hydro-Gear EZT drive system. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 3.5 gallons. The controls with your ignition, throttle, and hour meter. This mower does come with a plastic chute. This 254F does have a top forward speed of 6.5 miles per hour. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.